You may want to go around the back. You may want to go around the back.
Let me go around the back. I can get over this.
Don't drop them.
We're coming home.
Hello?
Then it's your baby brother. It's
Who is
baby
that?
Dylan.
Whoa.
He's sleeping. He's sleeping. It's a baby. Want to touch the baby? Really gentle. Gently.
Yeah.
Who is that?
What's his name? Do you know his name? What's his name?
Yeah.
been practicing.
Harry cup.
No, he's sleeping. Don't wake him up.
He's sleeping.
He has to sleep. He's a little baby. You have to be really quiet.
Ben?
Say hi, baby Dylan.
Hi, baby Dylan. Okay, so bye-bye.
Can we sing happy birthday quietly to Dylan?
It's a baby.
It's a rocking chair for the baby.
You have to be gentle. You have to be gentle, right?
Say happy birthday, dear Dylan. Happy birthday to you.
Wow. What's that baby doing?
He's sleeping, right? He's sleeping.
Chicken.
Here, you want to pull this up with me? Help me pull this so we'll cover his eyes.
Yeah.
The light's in his eyes. Here, help me pull this. There we go.
Ooh, it's a baby. It's Sam. Baby.
You see the baby?
Yeah.
Is he nice?
Well, this is baby. This one.
It's just from the chair.
Yes. Ooh.
What are you
Yeah.
doing? Are you playing? You playing with Grammy? What were you doing with Grammy?
We were making the bed upstairs.
Ben is all snotty.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, poor baby.
Hi, Daddy.
Do you need us to wipe your nose?
No.
Don't
Yeah,
forget to
boy.
blow.
Good job. Ben. When the baby's sleeping, we have to be really quiet.
Baby. Baby.
No.
Say hi, baby. I'm
Hi,
Ben.
baby.
I'm Ben.
Yes.
But tell him your name. What's your name?
What's your name?
Tell Dylan your name. Are you the big brother?
Say,
Yes.
yes.
Which one? Because this is the one.
You say, I'm Ben, your big brother.
Whoa.
We were up in your room. I washed the sheets and I'm putting them back on and we heard that noise and he stops.
Okay. This one. This one.
What is that? Because we were at
You want to give it to Daddy?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And I said, oh, I think they're home.
Yeah.
He said, noise. I said, I think it's the garage door. I said,
Garage door.
let's go see. He said,
Glass
"Yes."
door. The glass door. The glass door.
Let's,
Ben, did you miss Mommy?
Yes.
Yeah, Mommy's home.
but we're gonna put him somewhere quiet so he can sleep.
Ooh.
And then when he wakes up, he can say hi.
It's red. Ooh.
Gentle touches. Shh,
Ooh,
gentle,
it's
gentle,
eyes.
gentle.
Those are his
Yes.
eyes, yeah. Or his eyes closed.
Yes.
That's because he's sleeping.
Gotta be really gentle.
This one?
That's just from his chair. It's a little string from his chair.
Where's Bucky? Here's Bucky.
It's his
Yeah,
blanket.
that's Ben. That's Dylan's blankie.
Yes, there's Bucky. It's baby.
Tell Mommy what you had for breakfast.
Cereal.
Cereal?
And what
Cereal,
else?
Daddy. Cereal.
You had cereal?
Yes.
What else did you have? Anything else?
Penguin cereal.
Penguin cereal.
Wow.
All right.
What else?
Did you eat something else?
Yeah.
What did you eat?
A puzzle. A strawberry. Baby supposed to.
And that's the end.